guys, welcome to Lana Pays Us. This is my another brilliant video with my brilliant English. So let's have some fun watching how you can create the request for payment, or simple to say a QR code that a buyer will scan it and pay Lanas. So let's start. Let's say that you are right now a shop. You will just go here and sign in. I suppose that you already created business unit and all of that stuff. You will log in, or any of your employee. You can do it also to the mobile app. I'm just, for the purpose of presentation, doing on a larger screen on a desktop, so you can use desktop, you can use mobile phone. The system is going to adjust. So once you are logged in, you will go here to the shop. You will just select your business unit. You can have more business units, but mostly you will have just one, so by default is going to be chosen the one. And then you are going to just type the amount. So if you are already doing in the area of Great British Pound or US dollars, of course the currency is going to be automatically adjusted. So here how it goes. So you can put like this. Then in the reference, you are going to put your invoice numbers. So once you are going to get the payment, so that you can refer to that. So let's say 1. And now you have two possibilities. So most of you are going to use just show QR code. The another possibility is to send to customer. So in that case, if the customer is not with you, you just can send it, type the name, and the system is going automatically to the direct message sent to the user. But mostly in the shops, in the restaurant, you're going to use show QR code. So you're just going to type on that, and the system is going to create the invoice code that you are going to show to the buyer. So when the buyer scans that and pays that, you will be notified. And I'm going to show you right now how that works. So now I'm scanning this with my phone. I'm going to just, I need to select and to put the private key. And you got the confirmation that the invoice was paid, and that's it. And after that, you are going to find all the all the invoices that has been paid on your account, because right now this Lana coins has been paid to the liquidity provider. The liquidity provider is going to pay you. Normally it takes just 1 day, but it can happen sometimes, maybe a day more, but normally you get next day paid. And then you are going to see here in settlements the invoices that has been settled. They're going to have this green settled badge, and you are going to see also 20% more. And of course you have to see also that on your business account so that you really truly got 1.2 euros in that case. And the ones that are not settled yet, they are unsettled, stated here in the settlement history. Guys, this is it. This is everything how you are going to sell your goods or services or whatever for 20% more. Have a beautiful day. Enjoy.